Welcome back to not very sunny Florida. I don't know how much you'll be able to hear of this because obviously it's windy as fuck. So let's take a walk up here, go collect some sandbags. Well, as you can see, it's pretty wild out here. Taking a walk down to the beach, we're going to fill some trash bags, rubbish bags, sand. My hair's looking increasingly Trumpian as the day goes on. And I don't know how much the wind will interfere with what you can hear. So me and Mrs. Scotsman here, if she wants to get on camera, I don't know. We are going to go bag some sand. Right, so I have to pull the hood up because it's wild. Wait, you check this out. This isn't the worst I've seen it here, but you can tell it's going to get pretty bad. The sea is totally eating away at the beach lane here, look. It's pretty crazy. I'm going to go back and continue bagging this sand. I have no idea how audible the voice will be on this by the time I get it onto the computer. So I'm trying to walk out of the wind so that the microphone's on this side. I don't think it'll make any difference that way. But I'm going to have to cut it short. We're going to have to get back to the apartment because it's getting a bit wilder than it was. We've got like about 20 or 30 sandbags made up that we need to lug back to the car and then try and get back and sandbag the doors. So we'll see you back at the apartment. Thought I'd try and stop for a brief moment while I'm taking the bags back to the car, and hopefully you can actually hear me at this point. Yeah, not so much of a successful day at the beach. I had some ideas for things I was going to try and film, but the weather had other ideas. And Mother Nature in Florida does not fuck around. She doesn't wait to find out, she just fucks you up. So I'll probably pick this up again once we get back to the apartment again and get the sandbags down at the doors. So in the meantime, let's try and stay dry at least. Right, so here's something you don't really see all the time when you're in Scotland. Washing your feet in a puddle because they're covered in sand. My flip-flops are manky. Yes, I have a big black toe because I dropped something heavy on it a while ago. It's not that I'm unclean. So let's get back to the car because I'm fucking soaking. Right, so we're back at the apartment. Sandbags are now out at the patio doors at the front, so I have to come out this way and go around that side so that I can show you what it's looking like out here. Because it is seriously picking up here now. I'm quite surprised actually. I didn't think it would get this intense this quickly. So let's go and have a look, see what's happening around here. Oh, by the way, this is what Mrs. Scotsman and I colloquially refer to as the murder hallway. Let's go. I'm going to hide you under my hood. Yes, so as you can see, it's looking a wee bit mental out here so far. It's not too bad, well, relatively speaking, it's not too bad yet. I'm not too sure how this is going to soak my lens, so I'll probably need to put it off and clean it, but you can see the rain flying in off of the road there. So I'm going to come back round the front. I'll need to clean my lens. So, lens cleaned, back on track, back filming. Back standing out at the patio doors again with the boards on the other side. Also my Nordic track, which was free by the way. I need to get back on and start getting swole again. We went to the beach, we made about 60 sandbags just out of little trash bags. And then one of the guys my wife works with, he was there with someone, they gave us a couple of the big industrial strength trash bags. So we've got those filled up. So at the moment we have about 30 rubbish bags as makeshift sandbags, hopefully preventing our living room and our bedroom from completely flooding if and when the storm surge comes in. I don't know how bad it's going to get here. I would rather be safe than sorry. Better to have it and not need it and all that kind of thing. So I suppose I'll probably go back in. I doubt I'm going to add any more to this. I'll probably leave the video here and then I can start editing it when I get back into the apartment and try and stay dry, because as you can see, and as you can probably hear, it's a wee bit rainy. So I'll almost certainly come back and forth outside getting more footage as it gets worse. I've got the waterproof case and all that kind of thing for the GoPro. So I'll do that too and see if I can get some good footage. The lightning's starting to come in. It's still light just now, so it'll be kind of hard to see it on a video camera. But you can maybe hear the thunder in the background. It's pretty intense, I have to say. And like I said inside, I didn't expect it to get quite this intense. I had been here before through like a category 1 hurricane, but I slept through it. I literally slept through it. So this seems a bit more like the real deal, the true Florida experience. So I will leave it here for the moment. Take care of yourself, folks. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, whatever it is that you're supposed to do when you're doing this sort of social media malarkey. Stay safe.